Welcome on my channel Drawing by Aqsa. Hello kids. Today draw with me kids step by step. See what I am drawing a sketch today. What is this? Now kids draw with me step by step and see carefully today what I am making. Wow, this is a beautiful sketch. Wow, this is beautiful eyes on a sketch. Wow, this is beautiful eggplant. E for eggplant. Now kids draw eggplant step by step with me. Now I am finishing my sketch and doing coloring in eggplant. Let's color with me kids. Yellow color in eyes of eggplant. Now doing purple color in eggplant's body. Now coloring with me kids. Select purple color and color in sketch of eggplant. This is purple color. Kids, do you see eggplant? Eggplant is a vegetable, tasty, yummy vegetable. Eggplant is a vegetable. E for eggplant. It is a beautiful, cute little vegetable. Kids, do you eat this vegetable? Do you like this eggplant? Now I am finishing purple color in eggplant body. Let's coloring with me kids. I am doing beautiful color in eggplant. Now next I am doing green color in leaf of eggplant. There are 3 leaves on eggplant. Now coloring in leaves of eggplant. Leaf for eggplant. Now I am finishing coloring in eggplant. Wow, this is a beautiful sketch of eggplant.